Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into an exciting comparison between two of the hottest flagship smartphones on the market. The Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who appreciates a sleek design, this comparison has got you covered. Let's find out which phone best suits your needs. Starting with design and display, the Pixel 8 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and a crisp resolution of 1440x3120 pixels. Encased in a polished aluminum frame with a glass back, it's available in three elegant colors: black, silver, and gold. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra steps up with a slightly larger 6.8-inch AMOLED display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate, but a slightly different resolution of 1440x3088 pixels. It elevates design aesthetics with a premium stainless steel frame and glass back, available in four striking colors: black, white, green, and burgundy. When it comes to the camera, the Pixel 8 Pro features a versatile triple camera setup on the back, including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto sensor, complemented by a 12MP front-facing camera for all your selfies. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a powerful quad-camera system, led by a groundbreaking 200MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto with 10x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. A 40MP front camera ensures your selfie game is unmatched. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro is powered by Google's innovative Tensor 2 chip, offering configurations of 8GB or 12GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, is equipped with the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, with RAM options going up to 16GB, ensuring exceptional performance no matter the task. Battery life is crucial, and here, the Pixel 8 Pro offers a 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging, promising all-day endurance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra edges ahead with a 5500 mAh battery and supports 45W fast charging, giving you more power and faster recharge times. On the software front, the Pixel 8 Pro runs the latest Android version, enhanced with Pixel-exclusive features like Magic Eraser and Live Translate, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features Samsung's One UI 5.1 atop Android 13, delivering a rich, customized user experience with added functionalities. Price-wise, the Pixel 8 Pro starts at $1,000, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,300, making the Pixel 8 Pro the more budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. So, which should you choose? If camera quality and a clean software experience are your priorities, the Pixel 8 Pro is an excellent choice. For those who prefer a more premium design, superior performance, and longer battery life, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out. Your final decision will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching our comparison of the Google Pixel 8 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let us know in the comments which device you're leaning towards and why.